Okay, I wish I would have gotten this done before, but alright, when you do the finishing times, you're going to have to use the method you just made on compute time. You're going to have to call it on each one of these two objects. You made this object and this object. Problem is, you're going to have to watch out for what you're going to store it as, and I want you to experience that. Just look at the returns, and when you go to finish this up, and the print's not going to be hard. You just got to make it, make it pretty and format it nicely. So yeah, I just wanted to pop back in and make sure if you don't get it to work, read your error codes and see what I want you to get used to using the objects you made with a method that you made and trying to store it as different times. So give it a try. Hopefully you're a little more familiar now with math.random, math.round. We got square root, so we're using a lot of these things. We didn't use pi in this one, but we did an earlier one. So that was just the last bit. And if you get stuck, send me a message and let me know what you need. All right, and I will talk to you later. Sad this didn't get on the last one.